Repairs and preventative maintenance are two different yet equally important roles in the service bay. Preventative maintenance is a planned event intended to keep the vehicle operating safely and effectively, while repairs are a response to an existing issue. JPRO offers the tools and reporting capabilities to accomplish both. In this video, we'll focus on using JPRO for preventative maintenance. Let's start with the PM inspection report. Click the Inspections and Reports tab from the toolbar at the top. Then select the PM inspection option. This report covers everything a technician needs to perform a comprehensive inspection. When connected to a live vehicle, JPRO pulls in details like VIN and mileage to save time and reduce errors from manual entry. At the bottom is a customizable checklist. Users can print this report or digitally check off items as they walk around the vehicle. Next, let's take a look at the vehicle inspection report. Again, navigate to the Inspections and Reports tab and select the Vehicle Inspection option. This inspection report is typically used during intake to note the areas a technician should examine. From this one report, users can select which systems need attention, draw or upload an image to note body damage, and have the customer sign off on the recommended services. To edit any of these reports, visit the Application Settings button on the toolbar, then select Preferences. From here, select the tab with the report you wish to edit. Now you can use JPRO for all your preventative maintenance and reporting needs.